How's it going, everybody? Today we are going to be talking about the best flooring options for people that live in condo buildings with HOAs, and specifically those who live in downtown Chicago high-rise buildings. All right, so for any of the flooring options we're about to show you in this video, you can either come shop them in our huge flooring warehouse. We're right by Midway Airport, but we also offer installation services too, where we can come out and give you a free estimate on site at your building, either commercial or residential. We do both. And personally, I'd go with that option because we have a ton of experience working in HOA buildings and high rises. And, if you go with somebody else who doesn't have that same experience that we do, it just, the process will not go as smooth. So that's a big recommendation that I have. But let's take a look at some of the awesome products we have in stock that are great for HOA buildings and requirements. All right, so first up, we've got the ultra popular vinyl click flooring. We have tons of options in stock. So many colors. It's 100% waterproof. It's great for these types of buildings because we do have all the options we have in stock have padding attached. And you can also add extra underlayments depending on the specific requirements for your building. And we're just going to keep walking. We've got options as low as 99 cents a square foot. We got the tile look. We have different wood look options. And some of the options really have some nice embossing that mimics the real look and feel of wood. Everybody loves that wood look these days. We've got different brands, like Pergo, LifeProof. Look at this huge stack of LifeProof. I would say this is our most popular line. Everybody loves LifeProof flooring. This one, 22 mil wear layer, great color. It's thick, which means it'll have that little extra kick when it comes to reducing sound. Glastonbury Grove, really popular color, but we have over 90 vinyl click options in stock. But now to our next option. All right, so next up, we've got engineered hardwood. And what's really great about engineered hardwood is that it has the real look and feel of hardwood because the top veneer layer is actual hardwood. Now, most HOAs will not allow solid hardwood. That's why these wood look options are so great. And the price is awesome too. This one's $1.49. We got that one at $1.49. We got a few options at 99 cents too. And we're looking to keep getting more. So we've got some more trucks coming in the future. We got this darker one, hickory veneer layer option for 99 cents a square foot. And we can't beat that. And right here we also have some more awesome engineered hardwood options in our showroom available for special order. But again, it's got that really cool embossed feel. Like you can really feel it, and it mimics solid hardwood. Awesome. Engineered hardwood is one of our top performing flooring options when it comes to different HOAs and people that aren't allowed to have solid hardwood. Now another great option is carpet, especially when it's paired with some nice soundproofing padding. Look at this huge wall we have in stock. We got so many colors. We'll show you some swatches up front later, but this one's really popular when it comes to HOAs and different condo buildings. Great for bedrooms, living rooms. It's got a nice, that nice plush feel. But let's check out some swatches. All right, so here are our in-stock swatches, and we have carpet starting at just 69 cents a square foot. Now it's all great for noise absorption, probably the best bang for your buck when it comes to flooring and noise absorption. We got a bunch of different colors Even got crazy patterns like this one and this one, but it's a lot of neutrals, grays, and earth tones and stuff like that. But if you can't find something here, and then our huge selection right there, way more options in special order too. Yeah, we got some awesome special order options here. Endless options, really. When you look at this whole thing, we got this display too, and this one over here. We've got something awesome for your space. And so lastly, we've got laminate. Starting at $1.39 a square foot, we got several different options. Take a look at this huge stack. We've got tons in stock. Again, this grain on this one is super impressive in the way it, really mimics that real hardwood, but it's laminate. These ones right here are all made in the USA, and they're also water resistant. Quite a few different options from your dark sort of brown all the way to light brown, even like a whitish. But yeah. All right, so if you are currently living in a building with an HOA and you don't really know what the first steps are for, installing flooring, give us a call. We're happy to come out and give you a free estimate and go step by step on, the different we have all the proper like insurances. We'll get all the permits, everything so that it goes smoothly with your particular building. But if you want to install it yourself or you have somebody else in mind, you can also purchase the product directly from our warehouse near Midway Airport. But thanks for watching.